I told you to bridge into PulseChain in the last video, and I said I'll tell you which project you need to be buying. And of course, the first project I think you should buy when you get to PulseChain. That isn't PLS, PLSX, INC, Hex, eHex. Oh my gosh, all these blue chips. What do? Just buy PTGC, the Gray's currency, and get exposure to all of the assets I named, while earning APR simply by holding, staking, or locking your tokens. When PulseChain rises, PTGC rises even higher. If you've been tuning into my TA videos, I've been showing you setups and buy entries on PTGC with a target of 4,000 to 4,250. Well, what do you know? Exploded off the bullish divergence right into that box, and what do you know? Seeing a couple little bit of red candles as we consolidate here. Now, can PTGC continue to moon? Of course it can, but this would be a good area for it to rest and settle. Get out some weak hands, let some tokens get burned, let some reflection rewards get produced, and then continue upward and higher. So, Nick, what are my targets this cycle for PTGC? What is the next move? Why do you keep telling me to buy this asset? Well, here's why. Let me zoom out. Oh, we're only up, 2,700%. Oopsies. Not including APR. Oops. Anyways, I use some Fibonacci levels, some Fibonacci extensions, and what do you know? We got much, much higher to go. When you zoom out, whoa, boy. Where we are seems awfully small, huh? Now, let me tell you something first. This is 5 waves up. It completed right to this golden Fibonacci extension level. Should I have sold some there as a trader? Sure, certainly probably should have. But we rode this entire ABC correction. We earned that APR, and the asset is becoming more scarce. We are ripping off these lows, putting more of our buys into the green. This will be 5 waves up for a 1, ABC down for a 2. Now we are working on the biggest and most explosive wave, the 3 of 5. So this will be the 3rd wave up. You would have a 4th wave down to this green line at some point, and then a 5th wave blow off top before a larger ABC correction. And let me put something in perspective for you. This next 3rd wave, on the conservative side, is another 872% higher. Yes, that is a 10x higher, and that can't even take into account for a couple factors. Number 1, the APR that you are earning for holding the token. So you're going to get more than a 10x because you're going to be earning PTGC this entire wave up. And number 2, it doesn't really take into effect the burning mechanisms and the deflationary mechanisms built into the token economics of PTGC, which is why this is conservative and the upside objectives and the extensions can move much higher. But let's just start off things slowly. If we zoom out here, we are working on a wave 1 up. We're not looking at time, we're just looking at prices right now. Wave 1 up would put you at new all-time highs on a conservative level. On the expanded level, your wave 1 would complete here at 17 or even here at 20. Then you would have a wave 2 down in the form of an ABC correction to this green line here. Okay? This will shake some people out, get rid of some Jeets. Maybe PulseChain just did a 5x or 2x, and now it wants to come down a little bit. Okay? Then we go for a massive wave 3 of 5. Absolutely huge on a conservative level. Put you up here to 3,500. This 3,500 is if this wave 1 only gets to slight new all-time highs. If it goes to here or here, well, you can deduce that this wave 3 will be even larger. Then you will have a wave 4 correction. This can get as deep as the top of wave 1, but with how bullish PTGC is and how cheap PulseChain is, I think this would be a subdued wave 4, which will end well short of this previous wave 1. Then we get that wave 5, a blow off top. It will extend beyond the wave 3 on the conservative side to 4,000 here. Again, if these extend, if the wave 1 extends, the wave 3 extends, and of course wave 5 will extend as well. After that, you will put in, that would be a big wave 3. You will have an ABC correction down to this green line. That would be a big number 4. And then you will work on another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to who knows where we finish for a massive blow off top before a larger ABC correction. So we'll get to there when we get there. But right now, just know that things can get very exciting very quickly for PTGC. This is why I'm telling you to buy it, why I'm telling you to own it, to stake it, to lock it, and to compound those passive incomes on the way up for new all-time highs. Will wave 1 end here around 14? Will it extend to 17? Will it extend to 19? Only time will tell. But I'll tell you what, everything points to much higher objectives for PTGC. And this short-term goal here turns into a mere blip on the chart. So don't get shaken out of your bags. Find ways to buy more PTGC. Find ways to bridge more assets into PulseChain. And you'll be thanking me. Peace!